This drone is a drone that we love to play around with in the household just because it is super small. It's really to take with us on the go, and of course it is going to be easy to utilize as well. It's small, it's lightweight. It also will come with an app, so you can either utilize this with your phone or you can simply use it with the remote control that also comes with it. The app is super easy to install. You'll scan the QR code, follow the directions, and then from that point on you should really easily be able to pair this with your phone. It's going to have a headless motor, a 1-key start, and an altitude hold. This is definitely going to be beginner friendly as it does offer the more intelligent functions for you to use. You are going to have 100 meters, so it is going to be a long range transmission as well. We love using the Ultra HD 4K camera, which is going to angle from 90 degrees. It's going to have the FPV camera, and it is going to be the 4K UHD. This drone is going to be furnished with 2 reliable batteries, which is going to enable a maximum flight duration of 40 minutes. This combined with the 4K resolution for photo taking and video recording is going to allow you to really just enjoy this and take in all of the beautiful scenes, especially from above. This drone may be lightweight, but it is definitely going to ensure wind resistance and flight stability. It's going to be an advanced optical flow positioning technology, which is going to help maintain steady flight even at a height of 15 meters. Again, we cannot say enough awesome things about this drone with the 360 rolls, the diverse flight modes, and the app that is going to include drone operation functionalities such as photography and so much more. This drone is everything that you could possibly want and more.